Hey everybody, I am here at Central Michigan University and I just did a tour of the campus. It's really lovely. Be sure you come out here and do that. I just wanted to give you a few helpful tips. So right behind me is the library. But first off, you need to go get your parking pass. And what you do is go to the Combined Services Building, which is also the police station, and go in with your vehicle registration and your driver's license. And they will then give you a red pass, and that is good for the C lots, which are yellow. Now, I found it easiest. This is lot 28 right here, right across from the library. So numbers 3 through 8 are to the left. There's just that, see that pathway right there? You're just gonna follow the pathway and it takes you to all the spots to see. And then Bovee Center and the admissions office, which has the super cool seal that you know you have to have a picture in front of, is that way. So it's pretty much just a straight path. Oh, and there's the art center too. So check it out.